Hi everyone, just wanted to come on and say a few words about New Beginnings, a Bicester-based removal firm. So they moved us not once but twice in December 2018 because our house move failed 2 days in a row. So throughout that whole process they were brilliant. They made the whole situation, which was pretty awful, into a much less stressful experience. So 2 days in a row we had to move all the boxes out into their lorry and then move them back into our old house on the same day in the evening. So as you can imagine, that was a pretty awful situation to be in. But throughout it, they're professional, reliable, nothing was too much trouble, and they just got the job done, got on with it, no hassle. And from the start, I found them really nice to work with. So Nick was really friendly and reliable, always got back to me when he said he would. Also value for money. So I definitely recommend New Beginnings. If you're looking for a decent removal firm, you won't go wrong with them.